So for this 2-8 count, we're gonna start with 1. On 1, you're gonna jump 1 and you're gonna roll your arms in. So for 1, 2, 3, you're gonna keep rolling your arms. So 1, on 3, you're gonna step out with your right. Your arms are still rolling. So 1, 2, and you're gonna step over your right. Your right is gonna step over your left. Your arms are still rolling. So it would look something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So your left leg is now gonna step out. So whenever your right leg crosses over, your left steps out while your arms are still rolling. So again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And from here, you're gonna cross your arms and your left leg is gonna actually go over your right and you're gonna turn 5, 6, 7, and then on 8, your right arm is gonna go up on 8. So let's try that first 8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after 8, there's gonna be another 8 count where it starts with 1, so the left arm goes up as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all of that right there, all that motion was 4 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 was actually your left arm going up. 2, 3, 4 was going all the way down and back up to your chest. So after your chest, your right leg again goes over your left, and then again your left steps out, and then it repeats. Left goes over your right and it steps out, and then you just kind of circle around. So all of that should be an 8 count. So from the top it would be 5, 6, 7, 8, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and turn. And that's pretty much it. There's a little bit of bounce to it. You can add your own like little details to it. Like I like to bounce a lot, so I tend to bounce, bounce, bounce. But yeah, those are the 2 8 counts.